K20. It's much the same as the RX-5 version, a little bit different. We've got the 2-litre V-Tech engine from a Civic Type R. It's 230 brake horsepower. The car that weighs just a hair under 600 kilos. It's absolutely amazing. It's too windy to even think. V-Tech power! Oh my god. Oh, it's windy. If you watched our last video, this is the difference with having the wind deflectors and not having the wind deflectors. It's quite a large difference. Some of the additions we have on the car with the windscreen, we've got the MK branded harnesses, the diamond stitch seat covers, which are very comfy. We've got the carbon mirrors. What some of the eagle-eyed viewers among you may have noticed is we've got the MK biodegradable wing covers. Very slowly around here, don't want to destroy the arches just yet. One thing I've noticed between this and the 140 RX-5 is the noise. That little Pappy engine, that 1.8 litre engine is brilliant, but this is something completely different. Listen to this. That V-Tech noise is like nothing else. Same level of mechanical grip that you get from the MK Indy frame, absolutely brilliant, but with that extra V-Tech power, this separates the cars completely. You've got so much more grunt and power from this. At slow speeds, it's so pleasant. When that V-Tech has backed off a touch, it's so pleasant. The wind noise is a little bit excessive, but as soon as that V-Tech kicks in, oh, that's brilliant. Oh, that's so much fun. Oh, V-Tech. Where have you been all my life?